Stop translating in your head.
Yes! This is why your English is slow.
Today, you will think in English in just 5 minutes. Hello everyone, welcome back to Mutual English Center.
Hi guys, we are very happy to see you again.
Today's topic is very important. Think in English.
Do you translate in your head your native languages to English every time?
That is slow.
Yes, very slow.
Today, we learn how to think in English, easy way, step by step.
Don't worry, very simple lesson today. James, where are you?
I am at home.
What are you doing?
I am sitting and drinking tea.
Are you thinking in English?
Yes, I try.
What do you say in your head?
I say, I am drinking tea. I am sitting.
Oh wow, very easy.
Now you try. What do you see?
I see a phone. I see a table. I see a fan.
Good. Say full sentence.
I see a phone. I see a table. I see a fan.
Perfect.
James, I am outside now.
Oh, nice. What do you see?
I see people. I see a car. I see a shop.
Very good. Keep thinking in English. How do you feel?
I feel happy. I feel excited.
Great. Say more.
I feel a little tired, but good.
That's okay. Now, let's learn slowly.
Listen carefully.
Use this for actions now. Examples. I am eating. I am walking. I am reading.
This is present action. Use this when you look at something. Examples. I see a bird. I see a man. I see a car.
Use this to show something. Examples. This is my bag. This is my pen. This is my room.
Use this for feelings. Examples. I feel sad. I feel tired. I feel good.
Use this for place. Examples. I am at school. I am in my room. I am at the shop.
Very easy, right?
Yes, no hard grammar. Now, practice with us.
Speak slowly, okay? I am eating. I am drinking. I am walking. I am sitting. I am reading. I am writing. Part 2. Seeing. I see a car. I see a tree. I see a dog. I see a book. I see a phone. Part 3. Showing. This is my bag. This is my pen. This is my phone. This is my room. Part 4. Feelings. I feel happy. I feel sad. I feel tired. I feel good. Part 5. Place. I am at home. I am at school. I am in my room. I am outside.
Now, small exercise.
Look around you.
What do you see?
Say in English.
What are you doing?
Say in English.
How do you feel?
Say in English.
This is how you think in English. Tip number 1. Think small sentences.
Not big, not difficult.
Tip number 2. Don't translate.
Just think directly in English.
Tip number 3. Practice every day.
Morning, night, anytime.
Tip number 4. Talk to yourself.
Yes, it is okay.
Now your turn.
What do you see now?
Write in the comments.
Example, I see a chair.
If you like this video,
Like, share, subscribe to Mutual English Center.
we make easy English videos for you.
See you next class.
Bye. Keep practicing English.